Yebo, yes, ayijika ina steering bafethu udrava akekho madoda. Iyazivayela is another episode. Yeah, this and that lokho la lokho ayijika ina steering. Nani niyazi ngo KB Casanova the locust. Leli bombe lecela abantwana makuvela yena kuhlanya bomnyama nama yellow board. Bethi tasom delicious. Indawo engathi yakusethi introduction yami. Omunye wathi cha yathatha amanami introduction.
Yazi ukuthi ungani ukhona ummarinetayo khona but it's fine.
Otherwise it's fine.
I mean ngishopping.
For those abangakwazi ngiyakwazi ukuthi baza kubhala ibizo lakho lapha phansi yabona ngo-producer bethu but ngicela ukuthi la ukushaya yakho maybe la isingaba yi-second best.
Mina manje mana sizo. Ibizo lami nguThemba Ihlambele uThemba uMasithemba yena othi hayi kela manje wangiconfuse athi mina ngisazama phela lami ukuchaya phela njengawe
ukikizela. Alright, okay, now sengithi
ibizo lami nguThemba Ihlambele uThemba uMasithemba uhlambele lo othi yena akabamazi ngoba ulenka it's fine ngoba ulenkani thina silenkani
intethe inkani zodwa but hayi uyakhona khona lapha endaweni zakho. Yes ubhala ama notes
ayichayelwa kodwa iya zingabhala ama notes.
Hey lami ngeke ngazizwe ezinye izinto today but anyways otherwise actually injani weather these days? How is it treating you in lo January na lo before siyakachana?
I will not lie to you. Uyabona I keep telling people ukuthi yes. Ngizwa ngani mina ukuthi it's a new year.
Damn.
It's the same old. Mind my language. Shit. Ungani sitshintshe kuphela ukuthi khathe sasekho ku5 sesuku6.
Yeah.
But I mean ngikholwa ukuthi siyaphila siba uNkulunkulu asizibulali siyaphila.
True. Into engincanya ukuthi nje yabona even Khareso sokusilanda month end so abantu they are trying by all means ukuthi bethola izaka abanye bayidinga ngobusela abanye bayithengisa ngelokhuzenini and speaking of ukudingena imali ngelokhuzenini this is other thing every trend ekaChirilwana ukuthi uthobani ngiyamkhohle ibizo lakhe wahamba audition I think it's in South Africa where lapho siya audition kwenye agency and then wafika ngale bamthela
wathi mana nguzwise.
So tell me Thembi akutshela ukuhamba njani kanti kuma auditions eni la?
Angifuni ukutshela manga. Uyabona iart industry yethu leyi. Ishushu. Itrick. Lapha I don't want to lie to you. Lapha kufuna ukwazi ukuthi ulandeni.
Dang. Yeah, true.
I honestly speaking ngoba lapho uyalahleka. Wafika ku audition so and you deliver your best. And for sure ubona ukuthi hayi le panel labantu abahleli lapha bayavuma ukuthi hayi umuntu lo
babe impressed.
Yeah. But besokuthotsha umbuzo othi so wena do you have sex? Do you usuzibuza phela ukuthi kungenelana ngapi lapha le audition yami lapha ye character lay ube sokuthi hayi uyabona when we shoot and siyahamba maybe for about a week 2 weeks sisegangeni shoot and that's true by the way. Production is very hectic. Uyakwanisa udisappear emajokotshokweni for almost a month.
Yeah, true.
Shoot. It's a fact. And kuthiwa
boot camps
wena disappear for almost 2 weeks lapha so you want to know ukuthi will you want
before siyakachana I have one question. Lento le yenzakala ko yini kuba ukhuluma nje hypothetical?
Ask no questions and you'll be told no lies.
You're right.
But what I'm saying is ukuthi vele kukona khonoko. It's not a secret. Industry yethu is very bad. A very good example. Nango did. Wayesenzani
babo.
Uyakubona?
French Montana.
Wes manje yena wes it was worse enqatho engakhethi whether uyini.
Uzazikhala. Hey.
That's our industry.
Aphela ama baby oil madoda. But okay, mina but all right. Mina vele ngisale mbuzo emnenga yabo. Especially yabona why ngani ukuthi ngibe lawo especially endaweni lezo yabo because ngiyabe ngikwazi ukuthi there is a feminine perspective yabo
and it's what is lenkani
So akunje into le wena ngokubona kwakho ngelihlo lakho ubona ngani kwenzakala kubo Cherry kuphela kumbe lathi amajito yathi siya auditiona kwebe kuhlezi umama lapha noyisitshumpana lokhana ngiyakonantshuze kufana lokhana nje akula yena ama cases anjalo webhayi nampa abafazi khathesi sokuthiwa ndoda anti ufuna i-actile i-role leyo ufuna uku-acta lapha vele ungutsotsi lo kuze nini la but anti uyabona kulabanye ufana lwana but lile potential lonke but wena mawufuna wena
you have to do something ekwenza ungabi ku same level nalabana abanye uyabona
because I understand kulamanye abantu uyabona mina ngiyathanda ukumanyuva when it comes to social media whereby especially laba omama abadala laba yabo kulabanye phela baba bangazenzi ezinye izinto ngale kuma bedroom sessions yabo yabo
ezenza ngabantu ezenza abantwana alright
so ukuthi akukho yini ama scenarios anjalo whereby omama they take advantage of amajita lawo bebathembisa even imali or something ukuthi but ukuthi personal anti ungakaphenduli mina but ngibonana amajita vela angeka yala
Kulo ngike ngasithola ngeconversation izolo yezolo sikhuluma ukuthi umuntu ongumfana uyakwanisa ukurepeka uyarechwa la uyakwanisa ukurechwa and so kuthiwa njani how do you rap umuntu endoda uyisukumisa njani unguCherry ukuthi umrepe you know manje wena mawusukhuluma ngokuthi vele awuyali uyabona
hayi angichoba njalo mina ngithe kodwa amajita ngiyawazi amajita phela kube sokuyi ngama opportunity amabili bakunikezile ekhuzenini baphinde sebekunikeza le mali hayi win-win ethu amajita la but hayi kulabanye guys amajita ababathathela ama advantage omunye uyabe ngakufuni khona lokho khumbule futhi kulama STIs kule mkhuhlane stuff abanye amajita enye into phela abanye abantu sibayenza ngepassion you know like umuntu ebehambe ecommitted 100% to ukuthi ngifuna irole le ngiyenze lokho but ebese cina eqamba kumbe ngithi egada ngamanye ama avenues angasiyo which affects you even phambili nxa usuphambili even ususidla imali yakho ayibi mnandi phela sometimes mawusucabanga ukuthi kanti imali le ngize mfike lapha kodwa ngendlela engayifika ngakhona la akusikho yabona ngalala logogo ongakanani umntana wakhe ngoka 88 kumbe ngoka 87 mina khona apha maybe ngoka 2005
not only that ngombono wami uyabona vele I feel like once waqala ukuthi for you to get a role kumele ulale lo muntu you're never going to stop
vele sokuyiwaya
and remember that ukuthi industry today is a small circle I mean in the sense ukuthi ama big fish ethu ayafana in this industry onga ukuthi once wadliswa yiwani uzatshela la labana ukuthi lo wanu uyadlisa vele kasokayekela futhi loku reference uzahlethi ufuna umsebenzi hamba la lapha because yakwazi la uyathi ufika lapha na la uzafika njani uphe futhi
mayebabo then ungaba stingy ke manje ungaba stingy WhatsApp uyathola yini manje kumbe ucina usohola ama chicken ini kuphela imali idolo
you know but singakafiki khona lapho mfunga uphendula umbuzo wakho ngendaba le yokuthi amadoda wona they come across that ngifuna ukupha a practical example lo mngani wami umngani wami lo uyabona abantu labana abangagogiyo ukuthi vele once wagela they look 16
all right I take
umngani wami lo already ima elendevu elenwele he looks big and you know athuche egelile athi siyafuna clean shave unfortunately achayi clean shave yakhe laphana nge wrong timing there is a funeral next door and abantu bayabuya nje uvele abahlangana kwathwathwathi lathi siyahamba phela nje uvele umakhelwane lapha the looks he got from umasgriza
mayibabu
bemkhayile bomuntu kanti umfana lo
lasemfeni madoda
I'm saying this to say ukuthi asingakhohlwa ukuthi
imizwa
we are all human beings
imizwa mntwana
we are all human beings uyabona I'm not saying ukuthi it's right
yeah true
but I'm not saying ukuthi akwenziwa la semadodeni
all right
I ngiyathi ngubona okuyi situation lokho emfeni I was like if this thing happens endaweni nje
which means ku-arts phela kuyabe kukweza.
Phandle pho.
Damn. Alright.
But then it's not just khona lokhu ukuthi amadoda omama awahlupha. Ake abanye amadoda adla amanye amadoda.
Yee. Yeah, especially
It's true.
yabona like yes, locally. Okay, mina
Locally, ngiyaxolisa lithe locally.
yes, mana okay. Ukuze
Sithi siyabazi but
mina personally angeke mina not ukuthi kule possibility mina angeke ngiqamba amabizo but there's this one time I went to a certain place endaweni yakhona there was this owner of venue owner lwana after event isiphelile owner we venue there was this guy owayephake phandle owawunguye omele thathe izitulo yabona and stuff izinto zakhona zenezana labantu ade beyenza catering ahambe lawo remember lwana wayezilalele ku track yakhe yibo drinking his alcohol owner lwana we venue wahamba wayangena phakathi as if ngumember ufuna ukuthi behlale bexoxa benjani bezinathele wayehambe lo tshwala vele khona ngale modern then dukuduku a few moments later wasesithi nofuna ukulala abantu abona ama trackers abe lo mbheda lwane emuva ngale kuthiwa member lwana wathi hayi usuye ungazilalela member yami uthi layo wathi sezibona sedake sesithi hayi mana lami njani ngibe ngiguzile since ngale basagezisa basayenzana uthi selele kopha weza umuntu phela seyehlisa ibrook so baby
Yay.
baby
Hayi.
live che
Umuntu bengcono uzezwa ngibengcono sekutsho
live true story waza semkhipha istory sokuthiwa baby sorry yazi yinini what sorry yende futhi wayekhuluma ngesihlobo senesa yinini baby sorry and that guy actually very went to the police straight wahamba
vele
and manje the funny part guy yazicabanga usufika ureport into enjalo uthi member lwade sefu ngikhipha ibrook amapolice akho
akuhleka that's the thing but
but anyways yeah yabona abantu abalemali I don't know ukuthi imali yakho na yini kanti iyenza ukuthi I don't know
that's trauma right there
isn't
hayi usathi yabona ngumajina ngendlela yokuthini ulele lapha nanti yimi ngitsheri usathi ngizilalela nanti ngizwe from nowhere umuntu usefuna ukunyi
but mina angazi nje mana no please don't get me wrong but it truly no chair I don't know ukuthi ukuhamba njani because yabona o chair githi not ngathi githi giman because yabona even o chair bakwanisa ukuhamba etown khona apha bebambene izandla kumbe begonene not right and no one minds but amajita
you know
amajita yazi ngiyenze ngiyafuna ngwethuse futhi ngani ngithe ngikhuluma amabizo yena lo abasebemkhipha ibrook wayelisocha eqoke uniform yamasocha
ulesibindi baba yo
kutshela ukuthi abantu laba abalesibindi nje blind nje but anyways it is what it is
it is not what it what
yeah true facts into mina remember wakhona ngowayesesixoxela yena ukuthi ukuhambe njani personal mina ngase ngiimagine ilihlo lengqondo ukuthi yena ngowayesixoxela personal sesixoxela ukuthi ube uhamba njani
mina ngicisile nganzachibili kanye mpama
obviously but you told remember before kusiye police wayesekhiphe almost like $300 ukuthi look exolisi uthi all right ubambela
ubusenzani vele
ufuna ukuchaya inyasho yomjita but anyways
I am not one to judge.
Mina ngiyajaja shem like truly speaking angeke ngithi athatha ngishaye nje mfihla umphini uGod uNkulunkulu wadala uAdam lo Eve not uAdam lo Steve yabo
Sodom le Gomorrah yacha ngendaba
exactly so mina vele ngiyajaja shem personal yes trust me on that one but ngifuna ukuthi sike sibalekele ngendaba le because I know it's very controversial and abantu basazo engage kakhulu but anyways esikhuluma ngendaba yamajita labo like amajita labo sisan I've actually from lapho living from high school or whatsoever like every time ngikhula yabo kulama initiatives ayenzakalayo, especially when it comes to business or when it comes to empowerment, especially here in Zimbabwe, where you get uthola ukuthi kulento kuthiwa this empowerment of a girl child, what girl child, konke lokhu girl child, this what for women, what for women, league yabafazi le kuthiwa yini le Zimbabwe when it comes to politics, literally women's league. I was watching a video laphana bephiwa ama 500,000. Yes, it's fine.
Sorry.
No.
Heal baba, heal. Lani bazali phela
But umbuzo wami ulapha, why akhona yini vele ngathi why akhona yini ama initiatives akhetha for abantu abangabafana or amajita or bacabanga ukuthi amajita kuphela ngama drugs and stuff?
Uyabona umbuzo lo?
Because sesikhuluma ngabo girl child khona kanati sikhuluma ngakho ukuthi labafana ba retro akhona yini ama help centers ukuthi sibili abafana kuthiwa le ngiyabafana, because manenge abafana basodomizwa khana sivele kobulawayo. I'm sure I have read more than 14 stories abafana besodomizwa, especially abanye even ezikolweni ngama teachers,
especially schools, especially boarding schools.
So akhona yini ama avenues ona la ukuthi they cater for abafana according to wena umbono wakho?
Mina umbono wami limited, I have to say. I think akhona. You know why I'm saying so? Because this is not the first time insizwa abantu belokhu bebuza ukuthi amadoda ke akhona, but I just feel like they're not as vocal as abafazi, because abafazi iyadlisana. Thina abafazi siyadlisa thina. I mean
Yes.
Not in that not in that
yes, she said it. Abafazi badlisa.
You know why I'm saying so? Even ungakhangela majority of these companies athi siyenza izinto zaba ze girl child funded or led by amadoda.
I don't know. Maybe actually they are some of them they are actually most of them they are led by amadoda.
You can go cho. It's weird because thina siyadlisa, you know. Lina njengamadoda. Lina njengamadoda angazi kumbe likhutha that, I don't know.
No, like angazi mina ngothi alright ngathi in simpler terms thina ngendlela esakhuliswa khona, especially in African culture, there's this thing ukuthi indoda ayikhali, you know,
that's the wrong thing, but yeah,
it's wrong.
It's wrong.
But yes, to some extent it's wrong. But
it is 100% wrong.
To some extent.
You know, okay.
No, actually to a lesser extent it's wrong. Because actually to some extent it's to a lesser extent.
Go greater extent it's right. Why do you say it's right?
Okay. If you're a man, sometimes when you show your emotions or ngakhala, they take you as umuntu o weak. One, two, bagu jaja or whatsoever.
Okay.
Three, sometimes ukuthi ukuthole khona kokukhalela ngeke ukuthole, kuyathiwa indoda ayikhali, indoda mele izibonele. If you're a man, you have to suffer ukuze uthole into ena le. So why should you cry for into ongasoze uyithole?
All right. Okay.
Losi saga lesi sabuya esindebeleni kuthiwa umntwana ongakhaliwe ufele embelekweni, wakhulunywa umntwana oyinkazana.
How? Oh yes. Okay. Ngiyakuzwa ukutsho. Uthi wena ukuthwa indoda ayikhali, indoda melanga vele ikhala. One, ungakhala, you look weak in front of people.
Yes.
Two, ungakhala, uzajajwa.
Yes.
What are you doing? And three, vele ukukhala as a man shouldn't be an option, because ngomele ubuzama.
Exactly.
Mele uziphande. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes. So it's a certain frame eyahle abakhona or certain system eyahle abalokhu.
Ngicela uexplainela why ngithi ku wrong khonoko. When I said indoda ayikhali, and I'm not saying ukuthi ukukhala phambi kwabantu inyembezi ukukhalana. I mean that emotion that you're feeling is a valid emotion.
All right.
There's a reason why you're feeling that emotion. And usungathola ukuthi emotion yona leyo, the reason why you're feeling it, it's for it to be the fuel to whatever you want to do. Right? Yes, it doesn't make sense ukuthi hambe ekhalela phambi kwabantu.
Yes.
You are going to look weak because you are exposing your emotions.
Yes, true.
But that doesn't mean awumelanga ukhala.
So mele ngikhalela.
bathroom, toilet, bedroom yakho.
Then
Uyi-one.
who's gonna hear me man se bedroom and se bathroom?
Kanti mawukhala
Ngaphandle
lapha
kamlimi.
esikhuluma ukukhala kwani.
No, not literally. Laba sikhuluma ke, okay, andisikhuluma nge-business sites. Asikhulumi literally like
Yes,
literally
yes.
cry. So lami mambuza ukuthi, so who's gonna hear you when you cry in secret?
Hayi baba, if you are doing business uthi wena ku business uyindoda ungakhala abakuboni. You look
Unlike you, unlike Lina
no,
phela like
man, that's a lie. Usathi in a business, if anything,
no,
indoda ingakhuluma
not in a
yelalelwayo
business,
nabafazi.
not in a business as such. But what I'm saying is, for Lina Abafaz, it seems like it's much easier for you guys. Yeah, sensitive guys. It's actually easier for you ladies, yabo, than Tina. Nje akade sikhuluma ngani, ngabona lawo ama auditions and all that. Uba ngapha baqala ukuhamba, uba pha baqala ukukhetha
Why?
before.
Why?
Lina
Why?
liyadlisa athi lisho njani? Anyways, indaba it is what it is.
It is what
Lina
it is.
liyadlisa.
Okay, facts, yes. No, yakwazi ukuthini?
Clitocurrents.
Women are more women are more prone to abuse ngenxa yokuthi thina yithi esingela ngingathi asila choice kakhulu than you guys.
All right.
Yikubona ukuthi masokuthe ufuna ukubuya eHarare ndipo.
All right.
La uzathini ngiyaphomba ukumupha once off uzovarana ka to continue Lina kungathiwa mfana wangu unika ndawana baza uyahamba noma ungela senti kathiwa siyakupha imali yakuyo.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Okay.
Yito kwenza uqala ukuhamba thina ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthini out of maybe handful ye 10 people esibabizileyo for audition I am sure ukuthi angisoke ngiswele one ozandlisa phakathi la.
All right. At least ucha ukhuluma iqiniso tona. At least ukhuluma iqiniso. But anyways, let me turn tables around, as far as Lina Abomama, you think you're so special or you assume you're so special?
We are special though.
Yes, you're actually special, special to us. Tina, yes, you are very special. Yes, you are very special. Yes, because there are some other things. Back to the statement. Liyadlisa Lina Abomama. But what I'm saying, Igutina, have you ever noticed, njengawe na Thembi, ukuthi everything that you Lina Abomama or yes, Lina Abomama, everything that you use personally on your let's say on your everyday discourse, everyday day-to-day running of your lives.
Discourse.
Ukuthi yonke into yenu is created by men. For example, ama-nails unalalo afakayo, umuntu mbona waqala ukwa-designer, it's a man. Olenzela ama-pads, umuntu waqalisa uku-innovate ama-pads, it's a man.
Asilabo ufakazi.
Hayi mina ngilabo ufakazi.
Asilabo ufakazi. We do not have. All right, let's say for sure nguye wakudesignayo. Kodwa eqala wakhangela umfazi wathi umfazi ufuna lokho.
Yes, look,
I am going to do that for you.
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay, even konke lama miniskirt elwagqokayo, they were made by a man.
I like you thinking miniskirt. I like you thinking miniskirt.
Makeup was created by a man. So you ladies, you should give us some credit. Lathi kumele siyepha actually vele yithi futhi esiliqansisa ngoba liyadlisa. Hey.
Wait, yabona the more you say this, the more I think amadoda ya detect beauty standard yethu abafasi.
Yes, vele that's true.
When you're telling me that you created makeup,
yes,
izigqoko esizigqokayo, ngapha men will be like, hayi sifuna umfazi thick, hayi sifuna umfazi slim, hayi sifuna.
And you actually inspired to be a man. Khangela athi esugqokweni. Ibruku yabo.
Hayi, but ibruku lelo uyalibona ukuthi
you actually aspire to be a man.
Alisokele ukufithe indlela elimfitha ngayo.
I-design yokuthi ibruku vele laliyenzelwe okay America bathi ngama pants ngaye ngabobani kumbe sifuna sithi trousers, we can use all the languages ofuna ngayo konke kwangokwamadoda. Awungakuze ubona indoda igqoka iskirt wena ngaphandle kwe.
That's true.
Yes,
that's true.
So you actually
entertain mina idea yakho le, you know why?
Yeah.
Because we 21st century. You can't expect us to be still wearing amabheju khathesi.
No, anzange ngikhulume ngamabheju mina.
So what you were saying ngendlela ebenguzwisisa ngayo ukuthi yonke into eyenziwayo iyenzwe ngamadoda for women,
yes
men for women.
yes ikubona le menstruation kulo men phakathi menstruation yabo ikubona la ama pets they were made by men.
Yabona indlela ocabanga ngayo yangethusa baba. Iyangethusa for sure. Okay.
So yeah. So okay, but in okay, all right. Okay, mina ngithi ngiyathanda nje uku-evaluate izinto eziningi, ha? Okay, lina thulu ama ladies, kare semfuna ukuzwa ama opinion nani?
Okay.
Actually singasakhangeli into ukuthi indoda emeli bende or imeli bemfitshane whatever. Lina actually lifuna amadoda kanjani ladies, because lina sengananzelela o soft ababe kumbe ngithi good guys. Hayi good guy baphethe nzima amadoda. Yo. Lifuna amadoda kanjani lina, tell me.
I feel like a problem ukuthi uthi Lee.
Yes, because
no.
Lonke phela.
No, usifaka under one umbrella.
Oh, abafazi lichiyena.
Sichiyene for sure.
Okay,
no, like
umphendula
similarities.
Alright.
But sichiyene for sure.
Go ufake kuma categories ke. Ama different types of women.
Of women. Ngombono wami hayi ukuthi ngithini. Ngombono wami. Kulo ngizakuthatha from so date abantu abangayi. Eshilona.
Ungambuza umbuzo lo in front of the camera.
It's not like a body count and stuff, you know.
Hayi khona lokho lakho vele kuyabala because ngiyacabanga ukuthi mina aqalisa ukukhonjwa like literally ukukhonjwa sibele kuthiwa sengikhonjwe ngawo grade 6.
All right.
So up until now sengaze ngagraduate ngaba le degree cabanga ukuthi ke bekungaka.
Usodlule ebantwini abangayi.
Hawuzukho abangu 6 kumbe 7 bakwana.
Wena ayiyakuzo for sure. All right. I example bengifuna ukupha yona. Yikuthi kuma ex akho kulalwa nomazi ukuthi lwana utoxic lwa.
All right.
Lwana ngaze phenduke ethi baby I want you back. Awuyathi ayikhiwa la I've moved on.
Mina nya bye. Yazidlalela continue.
Typical of a man. But I mean my isizi unokhele emnyango iopportunity. Yokuthi udle uhambe uyekela ukudla wena.
Okay, you say.
All right. Ukule ex yakho la yokuthi wena himself umelela ukuthi athi I want you back uthi yes I'm available for you.
Yes.
What makes them different? Bonke ngabafazi.
Uyabona there is uyabona uyakuyefika ku Pick n Pay nxabe advertise iSerevita. Kule Serevita yona ngokwaso sokuzaba le sample liyana bakutestisa yona. So kunjalo. Kulabanye ukuthi siyabe sifuna ukutesta kuphela ukuze nxamfu ukuthenga nzathenga mangasoze nithenge kunjalo. Yabo, then there's the final product.
Okwenza kube lalaba nothi lapha ngifuna ukutesta kuphela kuyini okwenza uthi this one specifically ungena kulabana abakutesta then lo maybe sengazama ukungena nga.
Okay, okwaqala mina ngizakwenzela so kube simple language yonke umuntu angayizwisisa. One, kulo DJ angeke mina lokhu umfazi ongu DJ.
Okay.
One.
Okay.
Two.
Why not a DJ? Sorry. But laba basika amadoda.
O DJ.
It's just a DJ thing. As long as DJ whether male or female vele.
Amajita vele ya obvious siyakwazi ukuthi ngosika sika izinja zegame ezidla umthambo shiya masumsopa yabo. But sesikhuluma ocherry. Danger. Labana banatha ama astropez. Hey. Okay, bensasho kulabo DJ angeke.
Okay.
Two, lapha ngiyajaja guys, angilandaba whether liyazonda kwathwathwara. Laba balama tattoo laba.
Do your thing.
Lamacici laba makhalena ayi7 lana. Ngikhuluma ngami ngokwami phela. Mina lapha ngitshela mina ngeke ngithi ngiyatest.
Ukuthi wena what is it about umuntu ole tattoo okwenza uthi hayi wena ngiza kutesta ansoke nguci. Kumbe ekwenza umuntu ole tattoo ekwenza uthi hayi vele lo angimfaki lokumfaka la.
Oqala yazi ukuthi abanye badweba ngapha ama tattoo.
So problem ukuthi
mana angatsho uyazi ukuthi badweba ngama tattoo.
Badweba.
Khona ngale 2018 area yabo. Bedwebe khona ngale wena umuntu ayedweba khona ngale after section yekudweba tattoo utholana.
Yabona lapha fana lokuthi uzondela uCherry ukuthi wayelama ex. So wadlula lapho baba. Wadlula lapho for sure.
Lo Cherry othanda lo gym instructor.
Ubaba lo.
That's enough for me.
But all right, wena lapha awukhuluma ama characteristics. Ukhuluma ngokuthi umuntu
abayenza
oyenza so.
All right.
So I'm assuming i-trade double yebo.
All right, ama characteristics, all right. Abathanda ibhawa too much, it's a no for me.
Okay.
Who drink a lot, it's a no for me.
Okay.
And then
A lot ngenjani ngokuthi abathanda ibhawa kakhulu.
and then who actually drink a lot. Kulezi
So it means
izindawo.
ukuthi hayi oyabe ethanda ibhawa right but engalithanda kakhulu.
Hayi bonke vele natha mthombo munye.
Oh.
Into eyi-one.
Okay. Okay.
Bona labo abathanda khona lokho even going out a lot khona
Wena
lokho.
natha?
Mina ngu-resolution yokuthi anisafuni ukunatha but ngiyanatha.
Okay.
So angifuna ukuqamba amanga kuthiwa ama-followers ami ku-resolution sengile 2 weeks nginganathi.
Oh,
So,
congratulations. That's
yeah, so asibuyele endabeni singahlahleli lokhu ubuza
Alright,
mina.
sorry,
So
yes,
lina
yes,
amajide lowafuna kanjani? Sesizwile ukuthi
in-
lichiyene.
into ebengifuna ukukutshela yona ngokuthi amadoda achiyene is ukuthi vele labafazi babefuna amadoda achiyene. Mina ngakuphendula khathesi ngizakuphendula ukuthi mina ngifuna indoda.
Okay, ngicokuza ukuthi wena ufuna indoda enjani.
I don't really care about physical appearance.
All right.
Genuinely speaking, I don't mind, but I have realized
Even if he has a small D.
I've dated a guy with a small D. I honestly expected ukuthi ngizachita, but I didn't. I wasn't even there.
Hayi ukuthi wayebulala ngamanye ama-avenues.
Not even. Which is what I want to
Umuntu
know.
nguwosebenzayo.
No. That's the thing. It's not that. Yeah, we say ukuthi compensate here and there, but it's not that. It's not that. It's ukuthi mina ngokuba yimi kwami. Ngilento yokuthi once I say I'm committing myself to somebody.
Okay.
I am going in 100%.
That's
Yeah,
very sweet.
But I'm just kuma ukuthi mina ngifuna umuntu onjani. Ooh, I don't really care about the physical looks, but I've realized ukuthi kuma ex wonke I've never dated a short guy. So I'm assuming I don't like short guys. I don't know,
All
but
right.
I've never dated a short guy.
All right.
Then I like umuntu onhlekisayo. Not a comedian, but umuntu onhlekisayo.
Alright.
Which basically means with someone who can communicate, sixoxe, sihleke, you know.
Someone who communicates.
That is the thing. Then umuntu ongigcinayo. Hayi ukugcina lokhana ukuthi senye housewife, but I mean ukugcina lokhana ukuthi
Financial.
no. That's the thing. Lihlala licabanga ukuthi sifuna imali.
Hayi ngicabanga bembuzi.
No. Ukugcina lokhana ukuthi siyahlangana, let's say anjabona nihlala ngapha mina ePadone Stew nihlala lapho hlala khona. We meet for a date. You look at me and go like, what's wrong? You look. The fact that you noticed ukuthi there's something ungcinile. That ukugcina your whole being basically mankhona is to make sure ukuthi uThembi is the apple of my eye and I lapha khona usharp. Kuphela. As long ungcina sihleka sixoxa communicate nice. I think mina isebesi issue.
Okay.
But the one thing I'm also considering these days, aren't you joking single the other day? For my future, you know. Senzakhanyela ama physical attributes. Ngoba they are important. Yes, abantu bathi yes, so umfitshane uzathanda umbani, uzathanda umbani type of thing. But asikhanyele ukuthi abantwana bakho bephuma benjani.
My babu.
Mina khathesi ngikhanyela in the sense of a future. Ukuthi hayi ngingathatha umuntu omnyamathu. Am I going to be willing ukuthi abantu mama ephume beyichako?
Okay, vice versa. So lathi singathi amajita sesifuna ukuthi lathi sifuna abantwana abangama yellow bone, sesifuna ukumithisa ama yellow bone. Wena njengawe lawe ukhona lapha sithando sami.
Ngicela ukuthi ayiqiniso nge-idea yana le. Ungaba heartbroken.
Lami ubuza amathi ngathi uzathi ubuza wena uthi wena ungaba heartbroken.
Mina not at all. Hayi mawufuna yellow bone hamba uyellow bone, but engifuna ukutshela khona ukuthi don't be 100% sure ukuthi yellow bone.
Hi, ziyashisa namhlanje. Okay. All right. Okay. Anyways, kulabantu ngiwayi bengikhuluma ngama softies and I heard ukuthi kulabanye abachera abathanda amajudelana anuka amakhwapha la. Tha indoda mele yabo.
All right. The must.
indoda must yabo indoda must ubona unukelela amajingo
Actually saw a video eyomunye ugogo.
sithini magogo
Ngicela ke nje i-actele sibone ukuthi i-acting ngisayithuna yini. Ugogo was like this. Babe ku meeting and like yesigaba i-meeting la nesigaba leyana. Yezwa uyabona umuntu oyindoda. Umuntu oyindoda kumele anuke njengendoda. Mina ethe edlula lapha ikhopha lisithi khacha. Yikho ukuba yindoda. Vele lokho ukuthi abantwana bathi days bagenza every day. Kuyini khonokho? Indoda kumele igeze after 5 days.
hayibo
5 days. Kumele vele ungangena etoilet lapha ungahlihli vele uthi lambi kusale. Yikho ukuba yindoda. Uthi udlula lapha na kuzwa kathi lapha kudlula indoda lapha sekelikhopha liyani.
kumele kunukelele lesihlamelelo futhi
Lesihlamelelo kuthiwa vele isihlamelelo esidetermine indoda. So hey, but then when I saw it, I was like, oh man. Yeah, what the hell must have
yes indoda
indoda kumele
bulala
uthi khacha.
nathi ukuthi ubunikelele ngani ngubhabhi uyindoda
Papi.
but anyways mina yazini lami vele I don't understand i-roll on ibhalwe 24 hours kumbe 72 hours wena uvugeza every day manje isebenzani i-roll on for 72 hours everybody 72 hours wena usubuyigeza i-72 ingakakwani but I guys yesidlalela sigezeni guys
Isamba ndoda
hayi guys asigezeni njengathi so esithanda ukugada lemchova lapha guys asigezeni cabanga phela akubona I know most of us and especially ngizasifaka laba encichanayo ukuthi bayathenga ukudla befuna ukuqeda bengakafika endlini badlela emchoveni cabanga khophana uhlezi
no
awukazi ubona even indoda ethenga yogurt idlela emchoveni cabanga ukuthi umntwana endlini uyafika ethengelwana yona sidla yogurt yes awukazi but anyways cabanga usuvule
chicken yakho
cabanga umntwana i-perfume umntwana so kumbe ubone kuthontele kuliginqo phomba ukuthi tho
hayi
ngapha uyabeqeda kunathi njengu ebhemele mokola hayi guys asigezeni like seriously siyazi ladies liyathanda ezinye izinto liyazi lina bafazi li-confused very from the beginning uNkulunkulu yakufakela uAdam wena usuthatha uSathane wawumusa ngaphi li-confused from eqaleni like seriously but yeah but anyways
I'm confused for sure
abafazi angazi ukuthi lini elifuna because lingathola indoda liyana I once kwaba le reality TV show whereby khona lapha koBulawayo whereby okuthiwa kanti lo wayo wawumyalelani lokhu zenini yabona that background check ukuthi indoda yakho like sesikubuza lapha ma reality TV show ukuthi okay wayalana njani le ndoda yakho ugcineni ukuba single wathi ka umfana lana gaya wayenithanda kakhulu ngathi mfuna lokho wayemphathela he was too sweet ga mina ngangamfuni
and that was the problem
yes actually like true
what
the guy was too sweet wathi nxa even kunguye even umember kunguye engaphambanisanga umember yathi sorry
yibo bona abafuna umjido omshaya impama ukuthi amkhumbuze
exactly but truly speaking and lani madoda lingasiyangisi sorry ngowani bafazini
hayi
sorry ngowani hayi mawindoda uxolisa
mana khona
indoda nxa indoda uxolisa
asiqale vela sihle sokulungisa khona lapha ngokhuzela ukuthini ukuthi la phambili kungahluphi
hayi mina kunhluphi ngoba vela ngixolisa
uxolisa if you are wrong when you are wrong
hayi vela umela ngixolisa mawindoda umela ngixolisa but actually speaking
usebenzela babayi so it's okay
okay cabanga ngikharesi sembuya mvele ebhawa mbuye ngabo 1 ebusuku ambuya ngalesichebo wena uthe usuphekile isithwala mina bese nsiyabuya lempuphu ngithiwa yini inkukhu engacuntwanga ngabo 1 ebusuku usuqala ukuchinga baba somele ngiqala usuxolisa mama mama hayi
sonjalo
uqhubela inkukhu ngingene engutsheni ngelanga
Okay.
ngivuka ngisithi mama kanti usucuthile yini lapha
Ingazweli naliphila mnandi. Lingani lihlale ehoteleni. Mina ngiqinisile njengomfazi
so
wakho.
na uyabufuna indoda exolisayo
Hayi mina ngifuna umuntu acknowledgeayo ukuthi hayi bengi wrong ngoba lami uyabufuna ukuthi ngaba wrong ngixolise kuwe. We are all human beings. Not ukuthi indoda ngumfazi we are human beings. We
Okay.
all are wrong. We are all right.
all
at
right
some point.
so maybe ngingathi all right mana ngikwenze kube simple magents nxa kuyikuthi uyenza into wrong uyafika kumama lapha nakuphambanisekile sokuphelile not ukuthi hi sorry baby I will never do it again hey lina lizaba ngomayinini lina uyasho mama lapha nakuphambanisekile kube lephutha kube lephutha not I'm sorry baby usucina uposta la ku status hey hayi lina ngathi linjani bafana these days hayi liyadlisa team man
Uyabe kudlizile umfazi.
indoda
Cabanga you
Yeah.
have been single for almost 2 years. Uhlangane lo one ovumayo.
Ase-
Uyamncenga ndoda. Uyamncenga.
hayi wena uyisigwadi ngokwakho kumele uyegeza bekudingela imbuzi ngale ekhaya bekuqumela imbuzi but ngokuya mawuyindoda hayi serious ekuxoliseni guys lokhu lize likhulume ngesingisi ungasomonth end no guys uyatsho mama lapha nakuphandbanisekile kube liphutha ungabona futhi lokho ekhulumela phezulu esenzani hambe ebhawo phume ezidlalela isinuka uyaphenduka sepholile kancane
Mina mfungu litshela manganti mina all I can say is lingathatha abantu beni laba ba toxic. Lingathatha abantu aba toxic abazathi lethi lingena livele ebufarweni uhappy ungena ukuthi ungena ngo12 midnight uhappy ukuthi hayi yabona lamhla ngikholise ebar uhlangane lo muntu ehlele esofeni ebunyameni emelela ukuthi ezokuchingela kuphela guys lingadinga abantu aba toxic I'm telling you
So, uthi
dinga
ubani
umuntu
lapha
ohamba
bethi-
lawe ebar
Uthi-
liphenduke ligonene so believe me libe ali happy lo yithu
serious
I'm telling you lo yithu labe ligonene selifika and futhi lonke malungela sishewe endlini lifika lihleka nti kanje sikhohle uthenga isishewe
Serious?
Alifiki lithingelana that's the thing wena ungathatha umfazi wechurch ungumuntu webar uthi ufuna ukuthi ehlale endlini ngenxa ukuthi ufuna umfazi
yikho manje vele ukufunakala mawindoda umfazi wechurch ngo right kakhulu no ebhawa no man hayi ngagcina sesichana phela lapho endlini wesizendakiwe two step usengwile hayi
Niphendulana
no
nesinese lapho.
yabona nani umfazi ngowechurch uyabe understand plus futhi ngizwa kuthiwa ikiss yendoda eqeda kunathutshwa limnandi kakhulu like I don't know whether it's true but ithiwa indoda mayinathile bayithanda kwezinye utshwala bengabuthandi hayi not lwana oqeda kuyaphalaza hayi into nathileyo you know
asithi uhamba nyenye alcohol adoing that
hayi not amasese hayi not amasese guys come on
I think uhamba nyenye alcohol adoing
not amasese guys
no
come
I'm
on
saying so because mina personally black label yanukela
yona ibhiya ngokwayo
yona ibhiya ngokwayo
so we never date mina phela la
so ayimanye inokisa so ma umuntu enuka yona like isenti ye black label sisihlangane le senti yakhe type of thing
mina I think okuwesi is super but hayi black madoda hayi phambili nge black merchants but futhi mina ngitshele i secret do you know ukuthi black i fuel madoda uyabamba umama zathi moyo ngalanda egabazi akushake itemo zonke mfana iblack angitshela imanga mntwana
so mana lapho uthi black
ikubona omama bechurch bethanda ubaba abanathayo ubonanzelela almost 90% of ihousehold emayo indoda awungeke ukuthi indoda ubucomplainela 2 liters yekhokho hayibo uthi selithela ikhokho lapha soku right biselana efridge hayibo indoda mele nathi black that's why amadoda ayiyo amadoda anathi mawindoda enganathiyo
ungakhohlwa botho nosanatha
hayi kanje hayi ngenza ama resolutions anzangathi i resolution anjakathi ke kuyakhubeka phela okuyizinto kwakhona yini but le bible liyathi ukuthi hayi yekelani benathe yabona ngiza kuvulela ivesi yakho on the next episode but anyways what I'm saying ukuthi nani amadoda natha guys are sharp indoda engaxolisiyo isharp yindoda eyakha umuzi yiyo amadoda yibo baba bethu not lina ama 2K labo ukuthi labe libuya lixolisa lize liposte kuma status no no
ngicela ukufaka nje okumbono wami okuncane khona ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ukuthi yabona indoda eyiswi kumele nje inathi kumele ibe ingaxolisi vele yeah it's okay
acknowledge ukuthi phambanisile but ingaxolisi
hayi yenzani mina engakutshela khona ukuthi uzasithola usidenda lenye indoda akula mfazi ongakumela lo ubona ngani wena ubanjwe ukuthi uyachita red handed uqeda ungaxolisi
ngiyathi ukuthi hayi mama laphana bekungacabangileli ikhanda ucabangele liyana
ngaleso sikhathi futhi awuncengi ngoba lapho uncenga mina ukuthi unchithele and you want me to come back to you lapha ikomela ukhuluma isikhiwa khona ikomela uthe you know baby oh baby
ngihle ngifike ngithi pha okuyi100 user laphana ngithi mama ngihambe luka lapha yabo na uthengela izinto ezifunayo laphana hayi kuphambanisekile mama kube liphutha hayi kusoze kwenzakala sokuphela
makukusebenzela baba hayi yenzani amfunga
uphinde ngunika isection what good section which is very good tarawa yakwazi ukuthi kusasa yabuvuka uthanyela kuphela umnandu kwethembu Jesu
it's okay.
Yeah, anyways guys, namhlanje isection le ibe blind madoda yi this and that lezwa lokho la lokho podcast has changed as feel umpini. Andiyakwazi it's your boy KB Casanova Ilocast. Yes, lele libhoma andiyakwazi. Thembi. Namhlanje bekumnandi ukuba la
nto. It's always lovely to be here. It's always lovely ukuma nabantu bekulalela.
Yes, and lingakhohlwa guys, podcast on site iyabuya very soon. Sabe sifuna ukuzwa lana emakasana khona lapho ukuthi lina licabangani, lithini. And lingakhohlwa guys sikhamba ngejeki. Jega ayijiki ilabela ongeke ulithole ebheleni. Ilabela la khona I will show you ama jerseys amanye amatch blind ama jerseys ama sock amanye abe khona abe ngemzilikazi amanye akhona guys amfuna ukuchasisa lisazowabona abe blind abuya abe khona on stock uma uhlakaniphile kathesani uhlu DM and order yours sizathi seliwabona because guys asiyenzi thina lokhuyana into yokuthi yagcwala yonke indawo abe limited ngamajezi akhona so i-podcast on site yabuyile Junza Studios ayijika ina steering until we see you next time on another episode lingaxolisi namhlanje gqoka izazi